Hi, so in this video, I want to show you how you can use the iPhone to scan documents for absolutely free. Everyone already has this app on their iPhone. You don't need to download anything. It's already included. And it was a really neat tool that I use every day to scan my receipts and any other small documents that I really don't want to forget about. So if you don't have a lot of documents, it's a perfect way to scan things if you're a student and so forth. However, if you have a lot of documents that you're scanning, about over 10 to 15 documents a day, then I really do recommend getting an actual professional scanner. So I have a really nice scanner in my office, but on the fly, I'll just use my iPhone to scan documents and then upload them to my desktop. So here's how you do it. You just go to the Notes app on your iPhone, and there's a little plus button all the way in the bottom middle of the screen. So push that and then push Scan Documents. And here it will automatically detect a document right there. So it'll figure out where it thinks it should be, and then you can adjust the corners to where you want the documents to scan. So after that, you just hit the Keep Scan button. If you want to do additional documents, you can actually do another document. You take another picture, you can keep the scan again, and now it just saved 2 documents for you right there. So just push save on the bottom right hand corner when you're done scanning all the documents. And here you can actually see that there's 2 documents here. It's scanned, and it'll put it as one PDF file basically when you download it to your computer. So now I have this synced to the iCloud. So this will actually go directly to my computer, which I'll show you in the next screen right here. All right, so now if you go to your desktop or your laptop, all you have to do is go to the Notes app. And if you have iCloud turned on, then the scanned document should automatically pop up within a few seconds, maybe a minute at most, but it should pop up automatically. And you can see here, these are the 2 pages that we scanned from our phone. So I'm usually using this for receipts or some other loose documents when I'm not at home. But you can pretty much use it for any documents. It's extremely good. You can see the quality is actually really good here as well. So what I normally do is I just go to, you can just drag it to your desktop or to your pending review file. So here I'm actually going to drag it to my pending review file for me to sort out later. And you can see it automatically saves it as a PDF on your desktop. And if I double click on that, you can see the quality is actually really good for these documents. And from here you can relabel it and so forth. Just remember just to keep this uncluttered for the future. I would just delete this document from your Notes app as well, so it doesn't keep accumulating scanned documents because you've already taken it out on your desktop. So I hope that was helpful, and this is a really neat and free and easy way for anybody to scan documents on the fly. If you like this video, please consider pushing the like button below and subscribing to our channel. And if you want to learn more about some more productivity tips, go to www.physicianzen.com. Thank you very much.